Exploring the intricate world of API design and development reveals an art form that is as much about creating seamless digital experiences as it is about engineering robust solutions for the complex web of modern-day applications. At its core, APIs are bridges connecting disparate systems, enabling them to communicate with each other effectively. The mastery in this field lies not just within understanding technology, but also embracing a mindset that champions innovation and collaboration. The importance of API design cannot be overstated. It's the blueprint for software interaction, dictating how different applications will interact. In essence, well-designed APIs form an invisible yet critical backbone to our digital ecosystem. As technology continues its rapid march forward, and as new web services emerge at a dizzying pace, these connections between systems become ever more essential for both businesses and consumers alike. In the realm of API design, best practices are not just about adhering to guidelines. They're about embracing principles that promote consistency, scalability, maintainability, and most importantly, user-centricity. These principles guide developers in creating APIs that stand as testaments to technical excellence, while fostering a healthy ecosystem of interconnected services. As we delve deeper into this topic, let us explore some essential facets of API design. 1. Clarity and simplicity. The best APIs are like well-written books, clear in their intentions, easy to navigate, and comprehensible to newcomers as well as experts alike. A good API should abstract away unnecessary complexity, while exposing only essential functionalities necessary for a developer's task at hand. 2. Consistency. APIs that adhere to standardized conventions are easier to understand, learn, and integrate into existing systems. Establishing clear naming conventions, parameter structures, error codes, and response formats fosters consistency throughout an API ecosystem. 3. Documentation. A comprehensive set of up-to-date documentation is as crucial to an API success as the code itself. Clear and concise descriptions, examples, and best practices for using the API allow developers to more easily understand its capabilities, resulting in efficient integration into their project. 4. Power. Pioneers event talking as Ashley's point is that star cell. Versioning. As APIs evolve over time, it becomes essential to manage changes that can break existing implementations while providing new functionalities to users. Proper versioning strategies ensure backward compatibility and smooth transitions for both developers and consumers of the API. 5. Security. With security being a paramount concern in today's digital landscape, APIs must be designed with robust measures to protect sensitive data transmitted across connections. Implementing authentication protocols like Auth 2.0, employing HTTPs for secure communication, and enforcing rate limiting are all key components of a well-protected API. 6. Performance. The performance of an API can greatly impact the overall user experience. Design choices around caching, load balancing, and efficient data retrieval directly affect how responsive an application becomes as it scales up to meet growing demands. Adequate monitoring mechanisms should also be in place to identify bottlenecks and optimize resources effectively. 7. Error handling. Exceptional API design incorporates thoughtful error handling strategies that inform consumers about issues encountered while using the API, without exposing sensitive data or system internals. Clearly defined error codes and responses enable developers to troubleshoot problems more efficiently, thus enhancing their overall experience with your service. From a broader perspective, effective API design also involves considering wider ecosystem impacts like sustainability, ethics, and accessibility. As APIs increasingly connect various systems in our society, it becomes imperative to consider how these digital bridges can be built responsibly, without exacerbating issues of inequality or data privacy violations. In conclusion, the art and science of API design are about more than just creating functional tools that allow applications to talk with each other. They represent an ongoing pursuit of excellence in a field where collaboration between developers, businesses, and users is essential for fostering innovation while delivering robust solutions in our increasingly connected world. Embracing best practices in API design ultimately translates into creating experiences that are not only efficient but also delightful, because at the heart of it all lies an unwavering commitment to putting people first.